Bagambe tebagenda tebasuka woli.
Sembere. One. How are you? Steady.
Push back a bit. Push back, please.
Okay, we look here for the photo.
1, 2, 3.
What are you counting?
Okay.
Air of stability and opportunity. Friends, a leader who has championed peace across our borders. He has nurtured our economy to where we are today, and he has inspired the vision of a self-sustaining Uganda. He is a farmer at heart, a freedom fighter by history, and a statesman by destiny. Our president embodies the story of people who refused to be broken and chose instead to rise with all of us as a nation.
Madam for now furniture.
People need food here, this workforce. So that's how you can see agriculture now, apart from producing raw materials, it also produces food for this big sector. In the 1950s, when I was going to the school system, I was lucky to have Kirembe mines, starting mining copper that time. And it created a workforce there in Kirembe, mining copper. And they started buying our cows. In Tungamo, they would come and buy cows in the market to go and feed the workers in Kirembe. So all these are connected. So I want to thank Mr. Zhang and our Chinese friends. Thank you very much for helping us transform our country. For Abaganda tugamba nti akatali kabbe amagumba olya osula mu mulyango. Kakawa kange tiwaranga n'okukanywa bannange. Ate ago nago magezi g'Abaganda. If you want to keep your oboyagala obulago bulemu okukala, munange teekako akakaawa. So I'm very glad to be here to open the new factories and lay the foundation stone for the new factories. I'll give you all the support. All the points you raised are clear to me. They are going to be solved immediately, the ones you raised. abantu baffe wano babonabona abagenyi baffe amataba gajja ne gabalumba wano naye kati tugenda kukolagana nabo bateekeko emikutu okulaba nti amataba tegaddamu okusitaawaanya. I'm telling them about the floods, that we are going to stop the floods, to drain properly. So I thank you and I wish you good luck. Katonda ababeere. Were asimibwe. Where people should learn how to make money through agriculture. Agriculture comprised of crops, livestock, and fisheries. That's one sector. The second sector is factories, manufacturing, to process and preserve and add value to what is produced in agriculture, what is produced in minerals, what is produced in forests. Like here now we have got our people here, our friends, making paper from wood. I saw a bikondo there, down there, a heap of bikondo. Bikondo are, what do you call them in English? Poles. I saw a number of poles there near the factory of paper. So factories, their work is to add value.
Thank you for support Mbale in the Toba. Thank you, keep us best investment development in Uganda. And then you can see how many children get a job. More than 10,000 of children get a job. Without you, we have nothing to do. Who support us? Papa Museveni. Who help us? Papa Museveni.
Especially the people who work in Mbale Industrial Park. I salute all of you. Your Excellency, I'm going to save the time for you to speak because you're a great leader. What I would otherwise have to say, you have not only say them, but walk the talk. Your Excellency, I want to remind you, on the day that I walked to your office and requested you to lease 619 acres of this land to Mr. Paul Zah. On that very day, there were 560 squatters on this land, and I asked you to give me money to compensate them worth 4 billion. Your Excellency, you did not only grant that amount of money, but came to Mbale and laid the foundation stones. That's why today we are talking about 73 factories in Mbale.
And then upon return, you and I will rise up and we will come him with the celebration he deserves. And thereafter we shall go through the protocol we are here to listen to today. Once again, I want to welcome you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Agguddewo, and it's such an honor again to officiate on such a great occasion. To those of you who have not taken time, those in the VIP, to look at the number of products that this industrial park does work, and the traders that pick merchandise from this industrial park and spread it across the region of East Africa. You're not only sending the East African agenda across the border, you are aligning with the national agenda where we are. So friends, as and when His Excellency will arrive.
Ekimulese kugulawo mafactory amakolero gano tubadde kati n'amakolero gongeddewo kati gaweze 75 tusuubira amakolero nga 200 ekisinga obukulu kwe kulyetingawo emirimu twebaza pulezidenti okolagana ne abachina bafuka bannayuganda emirimu kati egiri wano gisukka kati mu 6 abaana abato abaali balemereddwa okusoma n'abasomye kati emirimu wegiri n'ekisinga obukulu twebaza abaana n'abazadde okubakkiriza abaana okujja okukola wano.